हाँ આવ્યો.
Good morning, Siddharth.
Good morning.
Is it audible?
Yeah.
Okay. So till more students are yet to join it, so let us have a short introduction. May I know what are you pursuing right now?
No, basically I am my daughter is in 12th and I am just attending this to understand the future prospects for IPM.
Okay, great. You're Siddharth Shah,
Are Sohil?
right? Okay, I thought it's you only.
Hi.
Hi. Came jo?
All well, all good. Is it your
Okay.
career launcher?
Yes.
આપણે બહુ પહેલા વાત થયેલી હતી પણ I just forgot, right?
Right. So she is in which grade right now?
12th કોમર્સ માં છે હમણાં મેથ્સ લીધું છે.
અચ્છા મેથ એટલે 12 સ્ટાર્ટ થયું ને કે 12 થયું?
12 started.
Okay. So any idea, any research you have done, or shall I start with the scratch, like how much you are aware and how much you know?
From scratch would help. થોડું ઘણું મારે બેસિક અમે જોયેલું છે પણ it is always better to get to start from the scratch because નવી view aspects વગેરે બધા clear થાય.
Right. So let us know, we know personally each other, so let us have a clear idea that what is your plan and what are you looking forward, like how are you planning?
Basically she is inclined towards finance field.
Okay.
So that is the main thing right now, and to give her the best platform I was also thinking for IPM basically, but still but એમાં કેવું crack વગેરે કરવાનું શું કરવાનું એટલે what are the challenges and if not એટલે entrance exam કદાચ crack ન કરી શકીએ તો what are the other options left with us,
right.
all just want to understand the aspects.
Correct. Yeah, that's what that matters a lot, because this decision we face that once there is like student cracks the exam, and the geographical location also matters a lot, like
Right.
તમને મોકલવું છે graduation માટે બહાર કે નથી મોકલવું, like if you are planning for Indore and IPM like kind of thing, it is like 5 years right from now,
right?
So 5 વર્ષ Indore મોકલવું નથી મોકલવું, so that decision matters a lot in this case. So આપલા કેસમાં એવું છે કે આપણે થોડું વિચાર કરી.
We are open for it. We absolutely don't mind sending her out.
Okay, great. So let us start discussing about this. So when we talk about IPM, so like the finance point of view or in our business aspect also, this degree matters a lot. Like point of view and the exposure we get from such renowned institute, that matters a lot. So આપલા perception એવું થઈ ગયું છે ને કે આપલા કમ્યુનિટીમાં કે આપણે બધા આપલા સરાઉન્ડિંગમાં જ ઇન્વોલ્વ છે, બહાર એક્સપોઝર કોઈ લેવા જતું જ નથી, કાં તો પછી એ ખબર નથી હોતી, ઇટ્સ દે આર નોટ અવેર.
True, very true.
That is the major problem. અને આપણે બહાર જતા નથી એટલે એવું લાગે છે કે નહીં, ત્યાં સ્કોપ જ નથી.
Right.
તો એવું બધું perception બની ગયું છે, because this matters a lot. So હવે આ 2011 માં IPM સ્ટાર્ટ થયું. So 2011 was the first batch for IPM, and awareness started increasing, અને એટલા બધા નવા IIMs join થયા કે now there are total 5 IIMs those who have started integrated program, which we can see on the screen. One is IIM Indore, which started in 2011. After that IIM Rohtak started, IIM Bodh Gaya, IIM Ranchi, and IIM Jammu.
Okay. તો પછી આ બધા બાકી તો those are far એટલે રોહતક વગેરે, that is north side વગેરે, we will not be sending her right now.
Correct. So one more option we have is Nirma Institute, which is in Ahmedabad. તો આપલા માટે પ્લસ પોઈન્ટ છે. So Nirma Institute takes the admission on the basis of IIM Indore exam, IPM.
So like minute hold करना, I'll just take notes જે પણ જે છે. One second.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So IIM Indore ની જે exam છે IP MET, so
હા.
that is valid for Nirma Institute which is in Ahmedabad.
હા.
ત્યાં 5 years integrated course જ છે.
અમદાવાદમાં આપલા નિરમામાં.
Nirmama 5 years. So along with these 5 IIMs, we have Nirma Institute also, which is providing 5 years integrated course.
Okay. તો પછી આની અંદર IIM માંથી તમે પાસ આઉટ થાઓ, that gives you a more value than Nirma, right?
It is more or less same. હવે IIM કેવું છે, tag બની ગયું છે. It's a like premium brand now. So
Okay.
anytime એનું આપણે પ્રિવિલેજ રહેશે જ, બટ એનામાં ઇન્ટેક પણ ઓછો છે. 120 સીટ્સ જ છે across India.
સેમાં ઇન્દોરમાં?
ઇન્દોરમાં, હા.
Okay.
તો બધાને તો ત્યાં લાગવાનું જ નથી.
Right.
So when we do this 5 years integrated, Nirma is also old one and it gives a good as a brand, it's a good institute, good university in fact.
Okay.
અને આપલા માટે એક પ્લસ પોઈન્ટ છે કે ગુજરાતમાં હોય એટલે થોડું આપણે થોડું ઠીક છે એટલે
Yes, yes, we feel safe.
right. So that is a good option for us. અને એના માટે કઈ અલગ એક્ઝામ આપવાની જરૂર
નિરમામાં
નથી.
ટોટલ કેટલા સીટ્સ હોય છે
એનામાં
નિરમામાં?
નિરમામાં ઓન એન્ડ અરાઉન્ડ 180 ના આસપાસ છે, એટલે વધારે એટલે ઓન એન્ડ એવરેજ બધા કોલેજમાં એટલા જ છે, બટ 5 years integrated માટે આપલા પાસે ઓપ્શન જ 6 છે.
Okay, fine.
Right. So these are the major 5 or 6 colleges where we can actually focus for 5 years integrated, 3 years of BBA and 2 years of MBA.
Right.
Correct. So clear about this?
Right, clear.
So let us talk about the paper pattern, syllabus and curriculum. So it has basically 3 sections: maths, English and short answers. So it is basically 100 questions for 400 marks and 2 hours.
Okay.
And along with that, it has a negative marking also.
Okay, negative marking છે આમાં.
Right. So majorly
negative marking is like 100 question for 400 marks paper. એટલે એક question 4 marks નો છે, right?
Correct.
So negative marking is once you go wrong, -4.
-1.
-1. Okay.
1/4 is a negative marking. So majorly syllabus એટલું difficult નથી. Just the thing is you need to be analytical and basic 8, 9, 10th નું maths છે.
Okay, ઠીક છે.
તો only NMIMS જે છે આપણું મુંબઈનું, it requires 11, 12 maths. Other than that, none of the colleges require maths as a compulsory subject in your 11, 12.
Okay, ઠીક છે.
So it's like basic 8, 9, 10th percentages, averages, profit and loss, time, speed, distance. So આજ બધા subject રહેશે.
Fine.
So it's like more or less aptitude only. Just the thing is in less time you have to solve more.
Okay.
So that is the main thing.
And આની જે entrance exam જે હોય છે એ like that is online or offline only?
Online, all the exam, like from day one, not only because of the pandemic, but from day one the exams are conducted online, but at the center, exam center.
At exam center. Okay,
yes,
fine.
Proper hall ticket will be there and you will be getting that hall ticket and admit card, everything.
Fine. Okay, so,
all the exams have this particular typical pattern, and you have English, logical reasoning and maths. These are the 3 major subjects in almost all the exam.
Okay.
So basically when we prepare the students, so a common curriculum છે, so on based of that you can give all the exams.
Fine.
So at least we see to it that every student should give 3 to 4 exams, because એક આપલા માટે backup રહેશે.
Right.
So એ backup થી શું થશે કે આ કોલેજ નહીં તો એ કોલેજ, આપણું year waste નહીં થાય.
Right.
You can give a multiple option.
Right. So આમાં like NMIMS અને નિરમામાં weightage wise comparatively which one is better weightage wise?
Weightage wise Nirma.
Okay, that's good.
Reason being કે see NMIMS માં તમે graduation કરશો, and again after that you will give one more entrance exam to go for a post graduation, right?
Okay, right.
તો આનામાં ફાયદો શું થશે કે you won't be facing that again competition and directly you will be getting a PG from Nirma.
Okay, fine.
So that will be a major plus point because हमना competition પણ ઓછી છે and you are getting a chance to get into the IIMs.
Right, right. Okay.
IIMs માં enter થવા there was only one option before 5 years. That graduation complete करो, then you give CAT exam and then you get into IIMs.
Okay. તો IIM Bangalore વગેરે સાઈડ માં IPM વગેરે નથી કે હમણાં?
હવે ઓલરેડી પ્રપોઝ છે 2022 અને 23 માં એક્સપેક્ટેડ છે કે એ લોકો સ્ટાર્ટ કરશે.
Okay.
Because it's very much catching the attraction into the market, so almost all the IIMs will start this integrated course. અને આ જે 5 કોલેजेस છે આ 2 years માં આવા 5 કોલેजेस સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ ગયા.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
So this is going to be a future now. Integrated. Right. So if you like we can see on the screen, and one more point is like the short answers છે. That is like only 20 questions, 20 minutes, but it doesn't have negative marking for short answers.
Okay, okay, fine.
Negative marking is only for maths and verbal ability.
Fine.
Correct. So more or less this will be the syllabus, and selection process is like once you complete this entrance exam, there is written ability test and personal interview also.
Okay.
This is the complete selection process. Like exam, then you have, if you are shortlisted in exam, you will receive a call from the college. Then you will be writing a essay on the spot. They will be giving some abstract topic or anything related to current affairs. Then 200 to 250 words you will be writing essay, because in corporate world your writing skills are tested, right? Email writing and all. So they are testing your vocabulary and how much you are aware. So if student is not really fond of reading, this is the time where they can start their habit to inculcate reading newspaper.
Okay.
It will help you to in 3 aspects. One is improving of English language, speed reading, and current affairs. Both 3 things. Because what happens is like when students put their 100 and 200% of efforts in clearing the exam, and they fond of getting rejected in interview and all these things.
Fine. So you said like current affairs is one thing. Second is
speed reading and improvement of English. 3 points.
Speed reading.
Yeah, because all the exams, if you see, time is the main constraint. Syllabus and paper pattern is very easy.
Okay.
So if you see, it's like 120 questions and 100 questions, 120 minutes and 100 questions.
Right.
After this, we will see the entrance exams called NMIMS, Symbiosis, Christ University, which is in Bangalore, Xavier, MIT. So આ બધા entrance exam no paper pattern is like 2 hours and 150 questions.
Oh, okay. So speed reading is important.
Yeah, so it's like 40-45 seconds you get for one question. So એનામાં તમે read
એટલે આ speed reading develop થઈ જાય છે છોકરાઓની અંદર, because if they are not used to it, like is it?
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying, that now just as 12th have started, exam will be, every year exams are in the month of May 2022, now coming exam. So this is the right time where you can actually focus and start the habit. So daily if we start 1 hour na, so always I tell to my students that रोज 1 घंटे तुम लोग न्यूज़पेपर लेके बैठो, no problem how much you understand, but 1 घंटा to be earned. Avoid Times of India, prefer The Hindu. So that will, The Hindu, it's language wise and content wise is much more better than Times of India.
Fine. Okay.
And in shorts and all these apps are not actually required. Proper newspaper, physical newspaper will help. So complete this thing, they can read that.
Fine.
So time management is very much important, and selection of question ultimately. Because we are not expected to solve all 150, as there is negative marking also.
Right.
So whatever we select to attempt, that should be right.
Right.
So that will come out of practice.
Okay.
Correct. So like we are not focusing more of Rohtak and also I think we should skip that, because almost more or less it's the same.
Indore and Nirma we would be focusing on.
And apart from that, if we are really looking for good management colleges, then we can obviously look for this other institutes also.
Right.
Where we can get 3 years of BBA. So that will also help. अगर अपना 5 years में नहीं होता है, 5
हाँ,
years integrated एनामा ना था, so there are other options also, good institutes, renowned institutes where we have 3 years of BBA.
fine.
Yeah, so like we have NMIMS. So NMIMS is also like more or less same syllabus, same paper pattern.
Oh,
Just the thing
okay,
is negative marking નથી આનામાં. જે NMIMS symbiosis એનામાં negative નથી.
okay, okay,
Correct.
okay.
And like I said, NMIMS requires maths as a compulsory. That is the only criteria.
हाँ,
બાકી બધા colleges માં maths as a subject નથી.
okay, fine.
Yeah, this is paper pattern we can see. Maths, logical reasoning, English. This is the core subjects, throughout your career. This will help you, like not only for the college admission. After that, when there is a placement campus drive going on in the college, all the companies, they conduct aptitude test, right?
Okay,
So this is the crux of the aptitude. Every exam will require this.
fine. Okay,
Correct. So now this is Symbiosis College. So Symbiosis has 240 intake, and like as we are aware that it's like good option for us if we are planning for 3 years of BBA.
okay,
Yeah. Again, there is, I said, 150 questions, 150 marks, and 2 hours.
fine.
Yeah. So this is a normal standard selection process, VAT, written skills, and personal interview also. So basically, they check that how much you are aware, how you can handle the pressure and all in interview. So even as it's a renowned and premium college, so એ લોકોને પણ cream crowd જોઈએ છે. So
Right,
this is a filtration process that they select the students accordingly.
right.
So this is Guru Gobind Singh IP University, which is in Delhi. So if you are looking for that, so these are the options. This is again Xavier's, Mumbai.
Okay, Xavier's is there, right?
Yeah, Xavier's is there. Then we have MIT, which is in Pune.
Huh?
And Christ University, which is in Bangalore.
Right.
So mota 3 to 4 exams we should shortlist, and we can fill up the forms next year.
પણ ये सब આ બધા માટે entrance exam ની જે preparation છે those like that is all same?
Yeah, that's what. Syllabus is the same. Difficulty level માં થોડો ઘણો ફરક છે. So we usually prepare from IPM point of view, so automatically symbiosis and આ બધાનો preparation થઈ જ જાય છે.
Okay.
And class is also designed in such a way that whole week student can focus on their academics.
Okay.
And classes are on Saturdays and Sundays. So Saturday 2 hours and Sunday 4 hours.
Oh, okay, fine.
So 11th, 12th standard grade doesn't hampers a lot, and we can obviously focus on entrance preparation on weekends. And
Okay.
આ બધા entrance exam now you will be getting separate mock test. So more or less 70 to 75 mock tests in complete you will be getting, which will be covering IPM, symbiosis, everything, along with the study material, hard copy of the books, everything you will be getting.
Okay, fine.
So basically this is an aspiration account which will help you to do your regular studies.
Okay. What is this?
This is a career launcher નું આ app છે, website છે, aspiration.ai.
Okay.
હા, તો આનામાં શું છે કે basically all the topic test, current affair magazine, sectional test, full and mock paper, આ બધું આના પર, because all the exams are online. So to sit at one place and practice online, that is important. કારણ કે user interface થી familiar થવું જરૂરી છે.
Fine.
You read
Right.
the question on screen, then you do rough work on the paper, then you click the option. So that synchronization and everything is required. So
Okay.
you need to be practicing everything online much more time.
Okay.
हाँ, तो एवी रीते पूરું રહેશે. Along with that, all the study material and subject wise we have different faculty also. Maths માટે અલગ faculty છે, English માટે અલગ છે. So everything will be done accordingly.
Okay.
Now we have started with the new batch also. So just now there's those who are appearing for the 2022 batch અને આ આપણું last year નું result છે 2022 નું 21.
Okay.
Yeah, so students those who are placed into Rohtak and hotel management and all.
That's fine. That's wonderful.
So NMIMS માં પણ છે. So like તમને time હોય તો એકવાર આવો આપણું બિગ બજાર ના સામે જ છે ઓફિસ.
Okay, Big Bazaar ની સામે છે ને? Okay.
હા, ફર્સ્ટ ક્રાય નું શોરૂમ ખબર છે ને?
કયું?
ફર્સ્ટ
હા,
ક્રાય.
ફર્સ્ટ ક્રાય નું ખબર છે ને?
બસ એના ઉપર જ 4th ફ્લોર.
Okay, okay, fine.
તો કેવું છે કે હવે એડમિશન્સ અને ઓલ ચાલુ છે.
હા.
હા, તો હવે આનામાં તમને કઈ ડાઉટ કાં તો તમને કઈ પૂછવું હોય કે લાઈક વોટ યુ
મારે ખાલી એક જ હતું કે basically she is more inclined towards finance, so what are the best options available? As she is a studious છે એટલે almost she got 97% in 10th standard 2 years back.
Great,
So
great.
maths માં પણ she is pretty good.
Okay.
So she like એને maths માં પણ 99 હતા ત્યારે.
અચ્છા.
હા, so like
finance is like
કરે એવી છે 100%, પણ just I am just looking કે હું બરાબરથી એને ડાયરેક્શન આપી શકું.
right, best option જે available છે, why should we stop that?
હા, એક સારામાં સારા ઓપ્શન્સ એને આપી દઉં પછી that is her lookout how to encash it.
Correct. So see,
Correct.
finance is a core this thing, core specialization. So which almost all the best institute has it.
Right.
So any institute you select, finance will be the option, because many times what happens is like HR or IT, this kind of specialization are have specific institute only provide that. But
Right.
as far as finance is concerned, it's like not an much of issue to think of. And
Right.
we have the best options available, like IIMS we can opt Symbiosis, NMIMS, even Christ we can opt for Bangalore. Like education wise and culture wise, and Bangalore is also a good option.
No, Bangalore is definitely we are okay with Bangalore also.
So like we can obviously think of. So
અને બેંગ્લોરમાં શું છે કદાચ she may go for like IT અને બાકી ફિલ્ડમાં પણ એનું એક્સપ્લોર એને she can explore her future possibilities.
Correct. So options are very much open now, and this is the right time where you can start preparing from now.
Sorry, meeting left થઈ ગઈ.
હા. So this is the right time આપણે proper selection કરી શકે.
Okay.
Options બધા આવે અને બધા એક્ઝામ માટે કઈ અલગ પ્રિપેરેશન નથી. One common syllabus will help you to go through all the exams. So not to
એક હમણાં જે પ્રેઝન્ટેશન જે બધું બધા કોલેજીસ નું ડિટેલિંગ હતું, can you like is it okay if you could share that?
Yes, not an issue.
હા, એ મારે એટલે WhatsApp ઉપર જો તમે મને શેર કરી દો તો I just go through it, થોડું ઘણું હું પણ જોઈ લઉં છું. Because એના શું છે કઈ ઓલરેડી ફ્રેન્ડ્સે કઈ ક્લાસીસ કઈ જોઈન કરેલા છે આના રિલેટેડ.
અચ્છા.
she said કે like I am already late, so હમણાં જોઈન કરીને થશે કે because of 10 જ મહિના મળે છે આગળ.
Right. એનામાં પણ તમારું if you see na that November પછી તો they have their prelims.
Right.
So as good as November, December is gone, January no એક month મળે છે, and February they have boards.
Right.
So more or less હવે like sufficient time, but we should not delay right now.
એમાંથી પણ 2-3 મહિના તો 12th ના સ્ટડીઝ માં જશે એન્ડ ના.
Exactly. That's what I said. November, December, Jan is gone. Like we can't count that.
Right.
So you let me know.
હા. You just send that ભાઈ જે બેસિક્સ જે છે ને.
Right.
હા, હવે થોડું ઘણું એક બધા કોલેજીસ નું થોડું ઇવેલ્યુએશન એટલે બધા તો સારા જ છે. જસ્ટ બધા કોર્सेस નું પણ ડિટેલિંગ હું સમજી લઉં છું. Try to conclude somewhere. નવી બેચેસ ક્યારથી શરૂ થઈ રહી છે?
બસ હમણાં એટલે લાઈક જ્યારથી આ 12th નું ડિક્લેર થયું ને કે 12th ડિસ્કાર્ડ કરી છે, સો આફ્ટર ધેટ એડમિશન સ્ટાર્ટેડ કમિંગ એન્ડ ઓલ, સો હવે ઓલરેડી બેચેસ આર સ્ટાર્ટેડ,
Okay.
સો નોટ એન ઇશ્યુ. હવે ઓનલાઈન ચાલુ છે, તો જેટલું મિસ થયું છે વી વિલ બી ગિવિંગ યુ ધ રેકોર્ડેડ ઓલ્સો ઓફ ધેટ, જો પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચર્સ નું.
Okay.
સો એ કઈ મિસ નહીં થાય અને પાછું રિવિઝન તો થશે જ. એટલે
Right.
કમ્પ્લીટ હમણાં 1 year નો કોર્સ થશે અને આફ્ટર 12 અને બિફોર એન્ટ્રન્સ ધેર વિલ બી અ ક્રેશ કોર્સ.
Okay.
તો
Okay.
ક્રેશ કોર્સ વિલ બી ફોર ધોઝ જેટલે એ લોકો 12th પછી પ્લાન કરે એ લોકો માટે હોય, બટ આ 1 year ના આપણા જે સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ એ લોકોને બેનિફિટ છે કે લાઈક ધેટ ટાઈમ દે વિલ બી ડુઇંગ રિવિઝન ઓનલી.
Right.
સો એ બધું તમારું આનામાં કવર થઈ જશે.
Okay. આ ટોટલ ફીસ કેવી છે આની યરલી?
આ પૂર્ણ 1 year ની 35,000 છે.
ફાઇન.
હા, તો ઇન્ક્લુડિંગ ક્રેશ કોર્સ, બુક્સ, સ્ટડી મટીરિયલ, ટેસ્ટ સિરીઝ બધું આવી ગયું.
બધું આવી ગયું.
બધું.
ઓકે ફાઇન. ઓકે ઠીક છે. હું દેવયાની સાથે પણ વાત કરી લઉં છું અને if at all needed તો I will just come along with her to meet you and in person, તો
Sure.
પ્રોપર સમજી શકે છે.
કાંઈ વાંધો નહીં.
Perfect. Yes.
ચલો, ઓકે,
Thank you.
ચાલો.